Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum Xumo Box not turning on, power reset, pair remote and factory reset. To fix the Spectrum Xumo Stream Box that will not turn on or respond, perform a hard power reset, verify or reset your remote pairing, and execute a factory reset if the software is frozen. Fix 1. Perform a power reset. Unplug the power cord directly from the back of the Zumo Stream box. Then disconnect the HDMI cables from both the Zumo box and your TV. And now wait exact for 60 seconds to let the internal capacitors fully drain. Then plug the HDMI cable back in tightly to ensure a solid video connection. Now plug the power cord back in to a known working wall outlet and wait up to 2 minutes. The Zumo box takes about 60 to 90 seconds to fully boot up and will not respond to any buttons during this time. Fix 2. Unpair, reset and repair the remote. For PR1 remotes that has a gear/settings button, press and hold the back and add plus button together for 3 seconds until the top LED turns solid green. Now press 9, 8, 1 in sequence. The LED will flash red to confirm the reset. For XR100 remotes, no app buttons, press and hold the minus and center/OK buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. Then press 981 in the same sequence. For PR3 remotes, app buttons in a diamond, remove the batteries for 30 seconds, then hold the power button down for 10 seconds while the batteries are out to clear residual power, then reinsert fresh alkaline batteries. Fix 3. Repair the remote to the Zumo box. Point the remote directly at the Zumo box and ensure a clear line of sight. Then try the automatic pairing method. The voice button method. Press and hold the voice control microphone button for up to 10 seconds. An on-screen prompt should appear confirming successful pairing. The manual code method. This is the alternative method. If the voice button fails, press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for 3 seconds, then wait for 10 seconds for the pairing success message to pop up. Fix 4. Execute a factory reset. If you can access the menu, navigate to the settings, which is the gear icon present on the home screen. From there, select System Management and choose Resets and Updates. Now select Factory Reset and enter your parental control pin if prompted. Keep the power plugged in until the screen goes completely black. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.